Google Search is generative AI at the scale of human curiosity, and it's our most exciting chapter of search yet.
All the advancements you'll see today are made possible by a new Gemini model. By the end of the year, AI overviews will come to over 1 billion people. This is search in the Gemini era.
The world of online search is about to undergo a major transformation as Google prepares to integrate artificial intelligence into its iconic search feature. While the full story is yet to be revealed, the potential benefits and challenges of this shift towards AI-driven search are already generating buzz and curiosity in the tech world. Let's find out. The big announcement. Basically, Google Search is undergoing significant changes driven by Google's vision for artificial intelligence and the increasing competition from AI startups like ChatGPT. At Google's I/O conference, Liz Reed, the newly appointed head of Google Search, showcased these changes, which involve reorganization, increased personalization, and greater AI-powered summarization. Reed emphasized that these changes are part of a broader trend at Google, with AI now playing a crucial role in almost all of the company's products. Google CEO Sundar Pichai highlighted this shift during the keynote, emphasizing the company's plans to accelerate the integration of AI into its offerings. According to Reed, the improvements to Google Search are made possible by the company's flagship generative AI model, Gemini, which was launched last year. She believes that by leveraging AI technology, Google can provide users with faster and more accurate answers to their queries, reducing the effort required to find the information they need. Now, we are going to break these changes one after the other. Google's AI-powered search revolution. Google has introduced new search features that enable users to make complex queries using video and voice. This innovative approach to search represents a significant departure from the traditional search experience Google has refined over the past 25 years. At the heart of this transformation is artificial intelligence, which is not only reshaping how Google Search functions, but is also fundamentally altering the way users interact with the world's most popular search engine. The integration of AI into Google Search has been a gradual process, with the company testing experimental features through its Search Labs initiative. The Search Generative Experience, introduced last year, provided a glimpse into Google's plans for an AI-driven search experience. Now, these features are becoming a permanent fixture of Google Search, signaling a bold new direction for the tech giant. This shift towards AI-powered search comes at a time when Google faces mounting criticism for a perceived decline in the quality of its search results. Additionally, the company is contending with increased competition from the likes of Microsoft and OpenAI, as well as smaller startups such as Perplexity, U.com, and Brave. These companies are leveraging generative AI to reimagine the concept of search, capturing attention and raising the stakes in the race to redefine the search landscape. Customized Gemini AI model for enhanced search features. Google has also created a unique version of its Gemini AI model to power the new search features. Although the company has not disclosed any details about the model's size, speed, or the safety measures implemented around the technology, this search-specific adaptation of Gemini is designed to support various elements of the revamped Google search, with AI overviews being one of the most notable. AI overviews, which Google has been testing in its labs, will now feature AI-generated summaries at the top of search results. This integration of AI technology aims to provide users with more concise and accurate information without the need to navigate through multiple web pages. For example, when a user asks, "Where is the best place for me to see the northern lights?" instead of displaying a list of web pages, Google Search will provide a straightforward answer, stating that the ideal locations for viewing the aurora borealis are within the Arctic Circle, particularly in areas with minimal light pollution. The search results will also include a link to NordicVisitor.com for further information. Additionally, the AI will continue to offer relevant details below the initial response, mentioning other locations like Russia and Canada's Northwest Territories where the northern lights can be observed. But here's the thing. While AI overviews are becoming more common in Google Search, they will not be featured in every search result. According to Liz Reed, Google's new head of search, the AI-generated summaries will primarily appear for more complex queries. Google's algorithms will work behind the scenes to determine whether AI-generated answers or traditional blue links would better serve the user's search intent. Reed explains that for straightforward searches, such as Walmart.com, users typically prefer to be directed to the website rather than receiving AI-generated information. The rollout of AI overviews will begin this week for all Google search users in the United States. Liz Reed mentioned that the feature would be available in additional countries by the end of the year, making AI overviews accessible to over 1 billion people in their search results. This AI-driven enhancement will be implemented across various platforms, including web, mobile, and integrated search engine experiences within browsers like Safari. AI in planning ahead. Google is also introducing an innovative feature that allows users to plan by leveraging AI capabilities. For instance, you can ask Google to create a meal plan for you or locate a nearby Pilates studio offering introductory discounts. Soon, Google envisions an AI agent that can compile a list of studios in your vicinity, summarize reviews, and even calculate the walking time to each location. This advanced functionality demonstrates Google's edge over emerging search engines, which lack access to the extensive databases of reviews, mapping data, and real-time information that Google has amassed over the years. By tapping into these resources, Google aims to deliver a more comprehensive and personalized search experience for its users. Redefining search results with AI-organized pages. One of the most striking changes Google has been experimenting with in its search labs is the AI-organized results page, which appears to move away from the traditional blue links experience. In this new layout, a search for anniversary dinner recommendations in the Dallas area, for example, would display chips or buttons at the top to refine results by categories like dine-in, takeout, and open now. Below these chips, users might see a sponsored result, followed by groupings of anniversary-worthy restaurants or romantic steakhouses, along with suggested questions to further narrow down the search. Additionally, an improved video search option, similar to an advanced version of Google Lens, will be introduced, allowing users to point their phone's camera at objects, like a broken record player, and receive guidance on fixing it. Google's multifaceted approach to search. Liz Reed emphasizes that Google Search has evolved into a versatile platform catering to different types of users with varying search habits. This diversity has motivated Google to work on AI-organized results pages, aiming to streamline the search experience and make it more intuitive. By integrating AI technology into search, Google is addressing the challenge of presenting a wide range of content in an easily digestible format. Potential implications and risks of AI-generated summaries. However, the adoption of AI-generated summaries by Google raises questions about potential biases in search results, as the algorithms determine what constitutes a complex question and what content should inform its summary. This shift from the traditional blue links experience increases the potential impact of errors and raises the stakes for search accuracy. Google's generative AI model, Gemini, has encountered instances of producing incorrect or fabricated information, also known as hallucinations. In one example, a query for an African country starting with the letter K led to a result generated by ChatGPT, which incorrectly claimed that no African country starts with that letter, overlooking Kenya. Additionally, Google's AI image generation tool faced criticism for inaccurately depicting historical figures like George Washington. Google has since paused the tool, highlighting the potential pitfalls of AI technology in search. The impact of AI-generated search on traditional web content. As Google increasingly prioritizes AI-generated overviews and categories in its search results, the traditional 10 blue links format is being pushed further into the background. This shift follows the initial precedence given to ads and info boxes at the top of search result pages. Consequently, web publishers and content creators are rightfully concerned about the implications of these changes on their visibility and reach. A recent report by research firm Gartner predicts that traditional search engine volume will decrease by 25% by 2026 as AI-driven agent-led search methods gain traction. These AI models provide more direct answers to user queries, which could significantly impact the way users interact with search engines and consume content. According to Alan Anton, a vice president analyst at Gartner, this transformation will prompt companies to reconsider their marketing channel strategies as generative AI solutions become substitute answer engines. This shift may ultimately reshape the online landscape, with potential consequences for web publishers and content creators who rely on traditional search engines for visibility and traffic. The increasing prominence of AI in search, as noted by BrightEdge Executive Chairman Jim Yu, signals a significant change in the world order of search. To track this shift, BrightEdge developed a generative parser that monitors user interactions with AI-generated search results. In recent months, the parser has detected a decline in Google's prompt odds for users to opt in to AI-generated results, suggesting that the search giant is growing more confident in the widespread adoption of AI-driven search. Also, this integration could have significant implications for the tech giant's advertising business, which accounts for the majority of its revenue. During a recent quarterly earnings call, Google CEO Sundar Pichai refrained from sharing specific revenue details related to the company's generative AI initiatives. However, as suggested by Wired's Paresh Dave, providing users with more direct answers might lead to a decrease in additional refined searches, ultimately reducing opportunities for displaying search ads. As Google's AI-driven search evolves, so too must its advertising strategies to maintain revenue growth. Despite these potential challenges, Google has reaffirmed its commitment to prioritizing traffic to websites, creators, and merchants as it rolls out these changes. The specifics of how Google plans to achieve this balance between AI-generated summaries and website traffic have yet to be revealed. In response to questions about whether users would still click on links beyond AI-generated summaries, Liz Reed mentioned that Google has observed users starting with the AI overview and then proceeding to click on additional websites. According to Reed, this shift could result in users conducting more frequent searches, thereby increasing opportunities to drive valuable traffic to websites. Google's vision for the future of search portrays a more engaging and streamlined experience, where concise AI-generated answers encourage users to delve deeper into topics of interest. However, as the boundaries between human-generated content and AI-synthesized information become increasingly blurred, it remains to be seen whether this approach will genuinely enhance the overall quality and depth of information available to users. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.